I am Lokesh Sharma, nursing tutor in Mahatma Gandhi Nursing College. Today's my topic is sterilization and disinfection. What is the sterilization and disinfection? This is first is of all asepsis. Asepsis means free from pathogenic microorganism. Disinfection. Disinfection is a process where pathogenic and non-pathogenic microorganisms are destroyed without their spore forms. Next, it means the destruction of all pathogens or organisms capable of producing infections but not necessary spores. Type of disinfection: concurrent disinfection, second terminal disinfection. What is the concurrent disinfection? Concurrent disinfection during care of the patient. Terminal disinfection after the discharge of the patient, the disinfection. This is known as the terminal disinfection. Examination, fumigation, just like as the operation theatre, ICU, wards, after the discharge all patients. Third is sterilization. Sterilization, a process where pathogenic, non-pathogenic microorganisms are destroyed with their spores. Second, it is a process by which an article, surface, media is made free from all microorganisms including their vegetative and spore forms. Use of sterilization and disinfection. Sterilization of materials, instruments used in surgical and diagnostic procedures. Second, for media and reagent used in the microbiology laboratory. Method of sterilization. Two types of our methods of sterilization. First, physical method. Physical methods are: one, sunlight, heat, dry heat, moist heat. Third, filtration and radiations. Chemical methods: alcohol, aldehydes, phenols, halogens, oxidizing agents, dyes and gases. Number first, physical method. Thus first, sunlight. Sunlight has a natural method, active germicidal effect due to its contact of ultraviolet rays. Second, heat. Heat is the most reliable and common employed methods for the sterilization. Two types of heat, dry heat and moist heat. That the first principle of dry heats. Dry heats kill the organism by denaturation of bacterial proteins, oxidative damage of the bacteria, and by toxic level of the elevated level of the electrolytes. Second, moist heat principle. Moist heat kill the organism by denaturation and coagulation of the proteins. Dry heat sterilization. Dry heat sterilization are the following processes are used for the sterilization by the dry heat. First, red heat. Second, flaming. Third, incineration. Fourth are the hot air oven. Red heat include inoculating wires, loops, tips or forceps and needles are held in the flame of Bunsen burner till they become red heat. Second, flaming. Flaming glass slides, scalpels and mouth of the culture tubes are passed through the Bunsen burner without allowing them to become red hot. Third, incineration. Incineration by this method, infective materials is reduced to ash by the burning. Instruments named incinerator may be used for this purpose. This soil dressing, bedding and pathological materials are dealt with this method. Hot air oven. Fourth, hot air oven is most widely used method for sterilization by dry heat. The oven is electrically heated with a fan to ensure adequate and even distribution of hot air in the chamber. It is also fitted with a thermostat that maintain the chamber air and a chosen temperature. A temperature required for the sterilization of hot air oven 160 degree for 2 hours holding time is required for the sterilization. Then the usage of hot air oven. Hot air oven uses for the glass materials like glass syringe, petri dishes, flask, pipettes and test tubes. The second, surgical instruments like scalpels, scissors, forceps, they are sterilization by this method. Precautions. It should not be overloaded, this hot air oven. The materials should be arranged in the proper manner which allow the circulation of air. Third, precautions, materials to be sterilized should be perfectly dry. Test tube, flask, etc. should be fitted with cotton plug, and petri dishes and pipettes should be wrapped in paper. And rubber materials except silicone rubbers or any inflammable materials should not be kept inside the oven. The oven must be allowed to cool for 2 hours before opening the door, since the glassware may be cracked by sudden cooling. This hot air oven picture. Moist heat sterilization. Moist heat sterilization. Thus, this method of sterilization may be used at different temperatures as follows. First, at a temperature below 100 degree centigrade. Second, at a temperature of 100 degree centigrade. Third, at a temperature above 100 degree centigrade. First, at a temperature below 100 degree centigrade. First procedure, temperature below 100 degree centigrade, pasteurization of milk. This method are used for pasteurize of milk. This method are two types of method, Holder method and flask method. Holder method temperature are 60 degree centigrade for 30 minutes are used for the pasteurization of milk. Then the flask method are used for the pasteurization of method 72 degree centigrade for 20 seconds at temperature by cooling quickly to 13 degree centigrade or lower. Second method, below 100 degree centigrade, inspissation. Inspissation, some serum or egg media such as a Lowenstein-Janssen media. Lowenstein-Janssen media are used for the culture medium for the mycobacterium bacteria or growth in this medium. And Loeffler serum are rendered sterile by heating at a 80 to 85 degree centigrade temperature for half an hour. They are the holding time for this Lowenstein-Janssen and Loeffler serum or egg medias. For this process of the sterilization is called inspissation. This instrument used is called inspissator. Second, at a temperature of 100 degree centigrade. First are the boiling. Boiling for 110 to 30 minutes may kill most of the vegetative form, but many spores withstand boiling for the considerable time. When the better method are not available, boiling may be used for glass syringe and stoppers. Boiling method are the domestic method are used for the sterilization. They are 100 degree centigrade. Boil the water for 30 minutes are used for the any materials just like as the glass syringe, stoppers are by the sterilization. It is not recommended for the sterilization of instrument used for surgical procedures. Thank you.